sketch plane on the top, as you can see here. What I'm going to do is show you the slot tool. So I'm going to click the line here, and I'm just going to select a random line like so. It's not constrained, so let's get that constrained by this midpoint here. Select there, and then we've got a midpoint up here. That is now fully constrained apart from how long it is. So if we just make that, say, 180, we've now got a fully constrained line. So the slot, you need to have a line or something for it to work from. As you can see up here, the slot is under the offset section. I can click on there, and then I'm going to select this line. And what it will do is it will give me a slot around that line. So it's got the length and then a radius that you can change. So for me, let's make it a bit bigger. Let's go to 40. We then have a slot around the line that we initially created. So I can green tick that. If I wanted to, I could then extrude it. Or if I had a bigger shape, I could cut it out for a slot for some sort of sliding mechanism. And that is how you can use your slot tool.